All right, guys. So today's video is about tips and tricks of the Oraimo Watch ES. So if you have just gotten yours, here are helpful tips that is going to help you to maximize the potential of your Oraimo Watch ES. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first one here I'll be sharing with you is the SOS Contact. This is like emergency. So if you have an emergency call to place, you can actually use your Oraimo Watch ES by tapping this crown 3 times like this, 1 2 3, and it's going to automatically dial the number that you save as emergency contact or SOS contact. So if you want to set that up, you can go to your Oraimo Health app, open it up, and go to the options, that is the device page. Then tap on your Oraimo Watch ES and go to Bluetooth call, the option Bluetooth call, then synchronize emergency contact, select that option, and you are going to see emergency call. Toggle it on, and you are asked to set emergency contact here. Select that, and it's going to bring up your phone book. You can now search for any of your contacts and pick one for this emergency contact. So now the contacts are up. You can scroll all the way down, or wherever your contact is, you can just pick one. So I'm going to be picking this first one, a Reliance boy, and you can see it has just picked that option, that contact as my emergency contact. So once you are done or you have picked yours, select the option up here that says save, and it's going to save. So now let's test it out. Let's see if it's going to work. Press this crown button 3 times, 1 2 3. As you can see, it shows that it is automatically dialing the number. So it's going to dial in just 10 seconds and it's going to show. As you can see, it is dialing already, so that is how to use it. The next one I'll be sharing with you is the always on display. So in case you want to know how to switch on and on the always on display of this Oraimo Watch ES, all you have to do is to go to the settings of your smartwatch, swipe left, and go to this option here, the gear option, and you are going to see always on display. Select that option and toggle on always on display option. As you can see, there are actually two rest screen watch face. Okay, when you select that option, you are going to see pointer watch face and digital watch face. So here is the pointer, and you are going to see the always on display show. As you can see, it looks a little bit faint. If you want it to increase, or you want it to be a little bit bright, then you have to increase the brightness. Please note that when you increase the brightness, it's going to reduce the battery life that you are going to have on this guy. Another tip I'm going to share with you is the password option. Actually, this guy comes with password, so you can actually password your smartwatch. So if you don't want anybody to just come in and take your smartwatch, you can actually go to the settings of your smartwatch like this and go all the way down to password for off-freak state. That means whenever you remove this smartwatch from your wrist and keep it down, once this smartwatch notices that it is no longer on your wrist, it's going to lock itself up. So if you want to set it up, you have to come to the password setting here and select password on or power on password. Select that and enter your password. For example, I'll be selecting 1111 as my password. It says I should re-enter once again 1111. That is my password. Setting succeeded. Now the next thing I'm going to do here is to lock it, because it's no longer on my wrist. So it's going to know that it's no longer on my wrist because it's using that sensor. So it's going to sense that it is no longer on my wrist and it's going to lock. Okay, but if it's on my wrist, it is not going to lock. So it's as easy as that. Next one I'm going to be sharing with you here is the screen time. In case you want to set the screen time, you can also swipe left this way, go to the settings and scroll down a little bit. You are going to see display and brightness. Select the option. You are going to see brightness. That means you want to increase the brightness all the way up, you can increase it, and if you want to reduce the brightness, you can also reduce it downwards. Okay, it's as easy as that. And also the screen on, in case you want to stop it from going off in 5-10 seconds, you can come here and select screen on option and increase it to 20 seconds. So it's going to take 20 seconds before it goes off. Another tip I'm going to share with you is the Google Fit sync. So if you want to sync up your Google Fit account to your Oraimo Watch or Oraimo Health app, you can do that. All you have to do is to go to the setting of the Oraimo Health app. Just go to the settings like this. So let's go to the settings, and you are going to go to this dashboard down here. Select this option that shows profile option or user option. Okay, now select synchronize data with third-party service. When you select that, you are going to see Google Fit. Now select that make sure you have Google Fit already on your smartphone so that it's going to bind. As you can see, mine is saying binding. So select that option and it's going to bring up your information and ask you to select one of your email or your Google Fit account. And here is it. You can see it's saying Oraimo Health wants access to your Google account. So you can select continue and it's going to sync it up. Binding successful. So that means it has bind successfully to our Google Fit account. The last two tips and tricks I'll be sharing with you here is the 100 contact and quick reply. So how do you do that? You go to the Oraimo Health app. So let's go back to the Oraimo Health app homepage. So we are going to go to the settings, that is the device settings. Select your Oraimo Watch ES and go to the quick reply setting here. That means if you want to, send a quick reply to someone, if you don't want to pick the call, you can send a quick reply to the person, like I will call you later, I'm busy at the moment, I'm in a meeting or something like that. You can also edit any of these quick reply. You have just 5, okay? So you can edit it to your taste, to your preference. You can select this one, you want to edit this one and select edit. So this is to delete it, sorry. So select one like this, edit it the way you want it, like apologies for not picking, I will call you later. Then select save and it will be there. Apology for not picking. Whenever you have a call, you can use the arrow that goes this way for the quick reply. Just tap on that arrow, it's going to send your quick reply, one of it. Depending on the one that you want, you are going to see it on the screen of your Oraimo Watch ES and you can send it and it's going to go as text message or SMS to the caller. So you can call the person later on or the person call you later on. So that is the work of the quick reply. And the 100 contacts, this is now 100 contacts. Before it was 10 on Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. Now you can sync up to 100 contacts on your Oraimo Watch ES. All you have to do is to go to your Oraimo Watch ES. You go to this option here and we select the contact option here. When you select this contact, you can see I've already synced up mine up to 100. So just select that and follow the steps and you'll be able to sync it up and sync up to 100 contacts on your Oraimo Watch ES. This is where you are going to do it because I've done mine already. So you are going to select synchronize contact and it's going to bring up your contact and you can sync it up, and that is it. And I hope you have been able to learn something new from this tips and tricks video. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I remember Babatunde Motayo and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.